Hey guys, Trent here from How To Haven, back again with another quick tutorial. And today I'm going to show you how you can edit your prompt after you generate an image in Midjourney without having to regenerate the whole thing. And you can do this using a little mode called Remix. So if you open up your Discord and go to the Midjourney bot, you can actually turn Remix on, because it's not on by default, by typing /prefer remix, which is going to toggle the remix mode, and now you'll see it's on. Then you can edit an image, so let's say do your normal imagine that you would do, and let's go a cute kitten this time. And while you wait for your image to generate, obviously do whatever you want. But this mode is helpful because sometimes you might like the image or whatever, and you want a new variation, but you want to be more specific. And then if you go back and you regenerate a new prompt, it's not going to be the same, and it's just kind of a pain. And with this, you can actually give it more specific instructions to remix or change your image for you. And in just a few seconds here, I'm going to show you exactly how that works. And this is mostly for people who are newer to Midjourney, because if you use it a lot, you've probably already figured this out. But it's just another tool to use in the program to make it even more powerful, because it's already pretty awesome. And now we're almost here, so I'm going to show you in a sec. And so once you finish here, you're going to get 4 images like you always do. Nothing else is really going to change. And you'll see you have the upscale options or the variation options. And so let's say, all right, we like the variation 2, but we want it to be a little different. We can now hit the variation, and we're going to get a new message for a new prompt, which is really awesome. And so we could say a cute kitten, but what else would we want to add? A cute kitten on top of a volcano. Hopefully it's going to give us the same kitten, but added to a volcano. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, it's really helpful, especially if you use the program a lot, because as you know, it can be a real pain. And look, it's totally giving us the same kitten that we like, or it seems to be. And now he's kind of on top of a volcano. I always love how they look when they first start generating. They just look so funny. And this one, like, randomly, this kitten on the bottom one is just massive. I think that's a human. Like, I don't know where I got that from. But now you'll see we have a bit more options. Wow, this one actually is the volcano. And it's listened to us, and it's kind of kept more or less a similar, if not the same, kitten that we liked before. And if you want to turn this mode off, you can always type prefer remix again to toggle it off. Anyways, guys, if this video helped you, drop a like, leave a comment, and have a great day.